Number 2 says, in triangle WXY, angle Y is 57 degrees, angle W is 103 degrees, and side XY or YX is 6.5 centimeters. Draw the triangle under the same conditions and leave all construction marks as evidence. So I have a 6.5 centimeter side, and it needs to be labeled with Y and X prime. Then it says angle Y is 57 degrees. So using our protractor, we're going to line up our line and our hole in our protractor. Some of them might have a cross in the middle that you need to line up. And we're going to put a mark at 57. That's an acute angle, so it needs to be the small side. Just put a little mark there at 57. Then you're going to draw a line that's going to go through Y and that mark that you made. Make it long enough because we don't know where the other one is going to cross. And that angle is 57 degrees. Then we need another angle that is 103, but that is W. It is not X. So I can't put the other angle here because the other angle has to match up with W. But I know that triangles are out of 180 degrees, and I've already used 57. And then I know the other angle has to be 103. So angle X needs to be 20 degrees. Put a mark at 20. You need the other side this time because you want the acute angle, so your 20 needs to match up here with, where's my highlighter? With this one right here. Okay, and then we are going to connect that side from X through that mark, and wherever they cross is what we're going to call point W prime. So this one is 20 degrees, and the other one will come out to, I should put a mark there too, 103 degrees. It also asks, what can we conclude about triangle WXY and W prime X prime Y prime? And we want to justify our response. They are identical because they use side, angle, angle. And that one is enough criteria to determine that they are identical.